Hello children, welcome you all to the maths class. I am Divya VP, your maths teacher. Today we are going to study the Roman number system. The Roman numeral system is the numeral system of ancient Rome. Romans used the following 7 symbols to write any number. Roman numerals are mainly used because of their historic importance. Which are the symbols they used? Capital I they used to represent 1 and capital V to 5 and capital X is used to represent 10 and capital L to represent 50 and capital C for 100 and capital D for 500 and capital M is used to represent 1000. The ancient Romans used the letters arranged from greatest value to the least value starting from the left. There are some rules for writing Roman numbers. In 4th standard you have already studied to write the Roman numbers up to 39. This year we are studying to write the Roman numbers up to 100. The symbols I, V, X, L and C are used to write the Roman numbers from 1 to 100. Numerals I and X can be repeated up to 3 times. Repetition means addition. When we are writing 2x together, it means 10 plus 10, 20. A numeral written after a numeral of bigger value, we should add it together. That means if I write xi, after x I write I. X is having greater value. The value of x is 10 and value of I is 1. We want to add that together. That means x plus I means 10 plus 1, 11. A numeral written before a numeral of bigger value is subtracted. If I write IV, the value of V is 5 and value of I is 1. So we want to subtract that. 5 minus 1, that is 4. The next rule is if a number is placed between two numbers of greater value, it is subtracted from the number on the right. One example is given here, XIV. Which number is represented by XIV? X and V having greater value, X for 10 and V for 5. And we want to subtract that I from V. So which number is represented by XIV? That is 14. I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C. V and L are never subtracted. The main differences between Roman number system and Hindu Arabic system are Roman system does not have a symbol for 0 and it does not use the concept of place value. Next we can do the exercise question. What is the first question? Write the Hindu Arabic numeral for the given Roman numbers. The first number is XXXIX. XXX represent 30. IX means we want to subtract 1 from X. That means 9. So which number is represented here? 39. Consider the next one. XL. That L is having greater value than X. So we want to subtract X from L. L for 50 and X for 10. So which number is represented here? 40. Now consider third question. LX. The value of L is 50 and the value of X is 10. So which number is represented there? 60. The fourth question. XCV. C is having the value 100 and X is written before that. So that means we want to subtract X from C. It represents 90 and V also there. So 90 plus 5, 95. You got it? XCV. C for 100 and X for 10. We want to subtract 10 from 100, that is 90. And V also there, that we want to add. So 95. Last question. LXXV. L for 50, XX means 20. So 50 plus 20, 70. Plus 5, 75. So which number is represented? 75. Next we can consider the question 2. Write the Roman numeral for the given numbers. What is the first number? 45. How to write 40? We cannot use x 4 times to represent 40. For that, we want to subtract 10 from 50. That means XL. XL means from 50 we are subtracting 10. So we got 40. To add 5 to it, we want to write V. So what is the symbol to write 45? XLV. Consider the next question, 58. To represent 50, we can use L. And to write 8, we can use V and 3I. So to represent 58, we can use the symbol LVIII. Now consider the third question, 63. How to represent 60? We can write L and X to represent 60. And we want to add 3 more. To write 3, we can use 3I. So how to represent 63? LXIII. Now consider the fourth question, 89. To represent 80, we can write LXXX. And to represent 9, we can write IX. So, to write 89, we can write LXXXIX. Now, consider the last question, 91. To write 90, we can write XC. That means from 100, we want to subtract 10. And to add 1 to it, we can write I. So, which symbol is used to write 91? XCI. All of you understood? Next, we can discuss some common mistakes that we are committing in Roman numbers. First number given is 14. To write 14, what is the answer given here? X and 4 I's. That is wrong. Why? I cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So, what is the correct answer? XIV. X for 10, IV for 4. XIV is the correct symbol for 14. And next question, 9. What is the answer given here? V and 4 I's. That is wrong. I cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So what is the correct answer? IX. Consider the question C. To represent 40, 4x is given here. That is wrong. No number can be repeated more than 3 times. So what is the correct symbol for 40? We want to write XL. That means from 50 we want to subtract 10. XL is the correct symbol for 40. Next question is 15. Here 3 V's are given. V never repeated. So what is the correct answer for 15? XV. And last question, 25. To represent 25, what is given here? XXVX. That is wrong. We never subtracted. So what is the correct symbol for 25? XXV. All of you understood? Some Roman numbers are given here. We know that are meaningless. We want to give the reason. First question, IC. Only X can be subtracted from C. That is why IC is meaningless. Second question, IIXV. Only one number can be subtracted from another. That is why IIXV is meaningless. Consider third question, IVC. The same reason. Only one number can be subtracted from another. Consider question D. VVV. Only I and X can be repeated. We never repeat. Last question. LL. Same as the above. Only I and X can be repeated. L never repeat. All of you understood? This is an assignment for you. You have to find out the answers and write the answers in Roman numbers. Do it in your notebook neatly. Hope all of you understood what we have discussed in this session. I am winding up the session here. See you in next class. Bye.